I wish cruise control was working, because I would have jumped out of that damn car. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about my burnout and if I'm the best here yet, right?
Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Morning YouTube. So we are short on time. I need to get these tires broken in somehow. It's raining out here today. Like I said, we're very, very short on time. So while we're setting ride height alignment today, I need to get these tires broken in. Only 5 lug cars I have here is the Type R. I'm not gonna do that to the Type R. So, J-Rock, what's the plan for today, huh?
You gotta break some tires in.
Gotta break tires in. And then what did you come up with?
We'll just drive around the car, right?
Well, what?
We'll just drive around in the car.
Drive around.
Get some heat in the tires, right?
Heat in the tires. So this was all your idea. Remember, anything happens to RSX, you break it, you buy it.
No, that's not how it goes. I just work here.
You just work here. So this car is a k20a swap. I had these wheels on it. These actually fit the 15-inch TEs, so let's break these babies in. You guys are ratchet. Just you guys are ratchet. That thing sounds like it's on rev limiter. This thing does not do a good burnout. It sounds like it's on rev limiter. What is it revving at?
I don't even know, like 45?
It sounds like it's low.
Did it even spin?
It spun, but like barely. We need like a smoky burnout.
This is crazy.
Might be the wrong car to do it with.
Yeah.
You dropped it in second or first?
First.
Let's try one more time.
Try in second?
Yeah.
Just pull the e-brake up.
I'll get you axles. That thing is low. I ain't gonna lie, the TEs look good on there. The TEs look good up there in 15s. I don't know. I don't know if those things are gonna be sticky.
I think we need to put them on the TLX.
I think the TLX would do a way better burnout. Are they even sticky? No?
They're getting there. I think it's really, really wet out.
You gotta hold this motherfucker. That's
You
why.
gotta put a real chalk behind the wheel.
We'll go grab one. The wheel chucks. It's getting there. That was a good idea. It's getting there. How you been? Yeah, just keep it rolling. Crazy. I think we're good, bro. I think we are good. They sticky yet?
Oh fuck!
That shit hot?
Sticky?
Yo, look at all the rubber.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they're broken in, J-Rock. All right, Jack, I think we good.
Don't put in the shop yet, though.
Oh, the pavement came up. Yo.
Nigga, yo, what the?
Oh my god.
They sticking.
Oh, they sticky.
Yo, look at this.
Yo, that shit just cooking. Yo. That was a good burnout. That was a good burnout. I like that. 4 tires. They are definitely broken in. That's how you break in some tires. Look at all the rubber. Hey, sticky?
Kinda, yeah.
That might have been the greatest burnout ever.
I got the record on the block, baby.
Yeah, you do. That might have been the greatest burnout.
I tried to pull the wheel chucks out. I got burnt by the rubber.
Damn, RSXs do good burnouts. If we could have put the rev limiter up just a tiny bit, it would have been great. They feel good now. He got burnt by it. Yo, you guys see the street. There's no more pavement.
Really?
Yeah, the pavement got picked up.
I was trying to set cruise control and jump out the car, but it wasn't having it.
Yeah, we should name this. That thing is hot.
It stinks.
Can we name this video how to break in your tires? How to scrub your tires in.
Yeah, how to scrub them in properly. How smoky was it outside?
Yo, you guys see? Oh yeah.
I couldn't even see inside.
There was one car we did a burnout, right? And the fucking the fender liner melted.
Are you serious? How was that?
I gotta show you, Jordan. I got a fucking good picture. Yo, look at that.
Yeah.
That shit is great.
Oh my god.
That'd be great for a thumbnail.
Yo, that's so perfect.
Too good, yo.
Oh no, it was that car. You did a burnout with, remember the mud flaps melted?
Yeah. That shit was crazy.
That made my week.
Yeah, that was a good burnout.
That was good.
Alright, so most of you guys are probably wondering, like, we did not do that burnout for no reason. We'll have J-Rock kind of explain, like, why we did that. We basically scrubbed the tires in. We'll kind of give you the definition or explanation of what that means.
Yeah, we weren't just being ratchet. As much as I
No,
enjoyed it,
you were
there was
being a little ratchet.
There's a reason behind it. And the reason is you have to scrub the tires in. Basically, there's almost like a coating on them that, I don't know, you gotta burn off, I guess, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Whenever we go to the track, like new slicks, they never cut a good 60-foot brand new, and neither new tires too. They have like this coating on. You kind of just want to, honestly, on the track, after like 2 good burnouts, your tires are pretty much scrubbed in. Same thing with like street tires, like our AAA's, whatever is cool, street tire. You don't really have to, but like something like this. We used them on a dyno yesterday. You've seen it still spun with all the people on the car. It had like a layer of, I don't know, whatever on it. So now they are pretty much sticky, ready to go. And I don't want to keep, the reason why I didn't do this on my car is because you'd have to do burnouts, and this is all-wheel drive. I didn't want to go through that, so the back still needs to be scrubbed in somehow.
Tomorrow's another day.
Tomorrow's another day. I kind of wanted, so that's pretty much what we did today, scrubbing the tires in. It was raining out today, so we couldn't really do much to the car. Want to kind of give us an update on what's going on. I'll kind of walk through the car. Basically, we're kind of having a standstill. We ordered springs from Tom at NRG Tech to set the ride height because the car is kind of heavy, and the spring rates that are on the car are not that great.
Decel on the dyno, as you guys probably seen, the fenders were touching the tires, so that basically shows you that the spring rate was way too soft for how heavy the car is. So we ordered a heavier spring, and we're waiting for those to come in tomorrow. And once those come in tomorrow, then we could do the ride height, corner balance, align the car, and get it 1000%.
So I'll show you guys real quick. We got the suspension here. So we got a 8-inch spring we're gonna put on the K-tunes. This car is super, super heavy.
These springs right here, I think they rate them at 10K, they call them. But in conversion, that's basically 560 pound spring, and we're going with a 700 pound spring in the front now. So
that's pretty much it. Tomorrow we should be getting the springs, and then we'll put that on, get the car all buttoned up, and then ready to go. And that's pretty much it here.
ready to go for what though?
We're gonna be testing.
4-wheel burnout.
4-wheel burnout. And I apologize I didn't get it in the last video. Like I said, I wanna make sure the car is 100% before we take it out. So suspension, set the ride height, corner balance, align it, and then we are good to go from there. These back tires, we will scrub them in somehow. Maybe
I think those will scrub in, like, you know, driving the car, because the back doesn't really spin that much. So I think they'll scrub in on their own.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I think so. I agree. These are some pretty dope tires. Like I said, I don't know what they're gonna do yet. Like, I'm hoping everything will be good, that they'll be sticky. If not, I'll have to try a different tire. This is our first time actually trying this tire out for the and any car. I've never seen them before. So we usually use Mickey Thompsons. For what we're trying to do with the car, we can't use Mickey's because it's too soft of a tire. These kind of like are a little bit harder. So I think they'll work for what we're trying to do, but hopefully it doesn't spin.
Yeah, and hopefully we got all the bugs worked out.
I hope
That's
so.
one of the things with a not brand new build, but we changed a lot of things in the car, and as you guys can see, you gotta work all the bugs out. So hopefully.
Let's hope this is the last thing. Because you guys seen the fender there was rubber, both fenders, you seen it in the video, was smoking.
Especially this side, like after every pass, you'd see some smoke coming from this tire. There's actually still rubber here.
Yeah.
You can see. So hopefully we fix that problem.
So that's the update on the car. Get the new springs in tomorrow. We're gonna put them on the car, set ride height, corner bounce alignment, waiting on the front bumper to come back so we can put everything back together. And then we will be out testing very soon. So I'll get that in the next video for you guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.
Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about my burnout and if I'm the best here yet, right? I'm burnout daddy.
That is. The part where you got me was putting your hands behind your head. That was literally the best burnout I've seen to date here at the shop.
I'm telling you, I wish cruise control was working because I would have jumped out of that damn car.
Yeah, she would have been too funny.
Out, ran around and got back in.
Yo, so leave in the comments. Let me know if you guys think that was the greatest burnout that was ever done. But I'll see you guys in the next video.